Hello children, myself Arfa. Today I am going to teach you math of class 2nd and chapter 2nd. In this chapter, we will learn place values of digits, comparison of two-digit numbers. Now we will know place values of digits. In this topic, we will learn place values of digits in a two-digit number. Firstly, we will know about two-digit number. We already know that two-digit numbers are made of tens and ones. From numbers 10 to 99 are called two-digit numbers. From number 10 to 99, 10 से लेकर 99 तक जितने नंबर्स होते हैं वो सब टू-डिजिट नंबर्स कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ... to 99. 10 से लेकर 99 तक. These all numbers are called two-digit numbers. Okay children, let us know place value. A place value of a digit in any number depends on the place where it exists. किसी भी डिजिट में किसी नंबर का प्लेस वैल्यू उस प्लेस पर निर्भर करता है जहां वह मौजूद है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल in 23, what is the place value of the digit 2? Digit 2. The place value of the digit 2 is tens. It means 2 tens, that is 20. And what is the place value of the digit 3? The place value of the digit 3 is ones. Digit 3 किस प्लेस पे है? ones पे. That is the place value of digit 3 is 3. That is 3. Okay. Next. In 68, what is the place value of digit 6? The place value of digit 6 is tens. That is 6 tens. That is 60. And what is the place value of digit 8? The place value of digit 8 is ones. That is the place value of digit 8 is 8. Let us see place value chart. In 26, what is the place value of the digit 2? What is the place value of the digit 2? Look here. The place value of the digit 2 is tens. That is 2 tens. It means 20. And what is the place value of digit 6? The place value of digit 6 is ones. That is 6 ones. It means 6. Next, in 75, what is the place value of digit 5? Look here. The place value of digit 5 is ones. That is 5 ones means 5. And what is the place value of digit 7? The place value of digit 7 is tens. It means 7 tens. That is 70. in 48. What is the place value of digit 8? Tell me. The place value of the digit 8 is ones. It means 8 ones, that is 8. And what is the place value of digit 4? The place value of the digit 4 is tens. 4 का place value क्या है? Tens. It means 4 tens means 40 in 83. What is the place value of digit 8? Look here. The place value of digit 8 is tens. It means 8 tens, that is 80. And the place value of digit 3 is ones. It means 3 ones, that is 3. Let us see next example. This example. The place value of 7 in 75 is. इस 75 में 7 का कौन सा प्लेस है? Let us see. Ones, tens. The place value of 7 in 75 is 7 tens, that is 70. Now let us see this example. The place value of 8 in 48. In 48, what is the place value of digit 8? The place value of 8 is 8 ones, that is 8. Let us see this example. The digit in the tens place of 83. In 83, what is the place of tens? The digit in tens place of 83 is 8. It means 8 tens, that is 80. 8 tens means 80. Let us see this example. The digit in the ones place of 83 is. The digit in the ones place of 83 is 3. 3 ones. It means 3. Okay children. Now I am giving you some practice work. You will do this work in your notebook. Let us see. 5 tens, 4 ones. Write the digits in the correct place to form a number. 5 tens, 4 ones. Firstly, you will make a chart of place value in your notebook as like this. Ones, tens. 5 tens, 4 ones. 5 tens means we will write the digit 5 in column tens. 5 tens. And 4 ones means where is the box of ones? It means 4 ones. 4. 8 ones means 8. 6 tens means 6. 9 tens means 9. 3 ones means 3. As like this, you will do this practice work at your home in your notebook, math notebook. And I am giving you another practice work. Look here. Fill in the correct tens and ones for the given numbers. In 37, dash tens and dash ones. It means 3 tens and 7 ones. As like this, you will do this practice work in your notebook, and